Whoa, you running fast. Whoa. Whoa. No. Whoa, you turned that light on. Hey, help her up.
She got it.
Don't pull her over. You okay, Liv? You got a boo-boo. He's so rough with her. Be nice to her.
Hey. Daddy, I need you to catch me. Catch me. Let me need you to catch me.
Who's gonna catch you?
Me. Daddy, no. Catch me.
I'll take you to the movie.
Lucky.
Yeah. How about you guys? Can you do the monkey dance for me? And then, Livy, you do the monkey dance? Ooh, that's a good monkey dance. Whoa, you fell down. There goes Livy.
Now, can I see?
Sure. You want to see now?
Yeah.
Say bye.
Bye.
Livy, say bye.
Bye. Can I see?
Okay, we're going to see now. Ready?
Okay.